Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to add a new square building in Design Builder. So first of all, you have to tap on this add new building, or you can use the shortcut of Ctrl plus A. Just click on it, set your project details, special coordination details, and everything that you wish that should be related and should be in the data of the building, and then press OK. After you press OK, it will take a few seconds. You can skip this part if you want. After this, you have to press this one. After the completion of the process, this kind of a user interface will appear. For making of a square building, you have to keep the same settings which are shown right over here on the screen. You can change the height if you want for your decided or the height that you wish, and you have to deselect the box of autocomplete block because you just want the plan. If you want the whole block, then you have to press the autocomplete block. So for this, I'll select the autocomplete block. I'll draw a line parallel to the x-axis and type 30 feet, and same I'll do its parallel with y-axis and I'll fit 30, and same I'll stretch it again till the end. And this is how my rectangular square building block is ready. So I'm making very focused videos on short things of Design Builder. If you found it interesting, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.